Welcome, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn most important daily used action verbs with pictures, so that you can easily understand and can apply in your real-life English speaking. Zach and me teach you a full lesson. Keep watching.
Hey Emma,
Welcome, Jack.
you are most welcome. Now tell me what's called this action?
Lay.
Correct. Now tell me what do you mean by lay?
In a nutshell, lay is a verb that can be used in various ways, but it generally refers to placing something down or putting something into a position. For example, you might use it when you're laying down a book on a table or laying down your clothing after a long day.
Alright, now give me an example about lay.
He lays down the stairs.
What's called that action?
This is called add.
Can you give me some example?
Add 1 with 1 is equal to 2.
What's called that action?
Put. Put is an auxiliary verb, used to express the action of placing something or someone somewhere. Imagine for a moment that you have an item in your hand and you want to put it on the table. That's exactly what you would do. Put it on the table.
You are correct. Now give me an example about the verb put.
Put the doll on the table.
What's called this action?
This is called dry.
Correct. Now give me an example.
I need to dry my clothes.
What's called that action?
This is called dig.
Now give me an example.
The people are digging.
Now tell me what's called that action.
This is called fix, because when a people try to solve a materials problem, we call it fix.
Okay, now give me an example.
The people trying to fix the tab,
What's called that action?
we call it mow.
Alright, now give me an example.
This people is mowing.
What's called that action?
This is called saw.
Now give me an example.
This woman tried to saw the wood.
What's called that action?
This is called sit.
Now give me an example.
The baby is sitting comfortably.
This is called bite. A woman trying to bite a carrot. This action is called kick. For example, the boy kicked the football. This action is called give. For example, he gave me a key.
This is called hide. A boy hide himself under the bed. This is called fishing. The boy fishing at the river. This action is called play. They are playing. This action is called comb. She combing her hair.
This action is called clap. For example,
The boy is clapping.
this action is called open. For example,
Please open the door.
this action is called sing. For example,
She's singing a song.
this action is called eat. For example,
The boy is eating.
this action is called care. For example,
My mom always care me.
this action is called hold. Let's see an example.
He always hold my hand when we go for a walk together.
This action is called hang.
This animal hanging in the air.
This action is called blow. For example,
The girl continued blowing.
this action is called knock.
I feel disturbed when someone know my door.
This action is called build.
The boy tried to build something.
This action is called throw.
The girl threw his phone into the river because he angry with her boyfriend.
This action is called dance.
The girl can dance very well.
This action is called paint.
Her painting is very nice.
This action is called press.
Please press the switch on button.
This action is called fire.
Fire carefully.
This action is called swing.
The boy is swinging.
This action is called catch.
He can catch the ball very well. This action is called launch. He launched a plane. Sneeze. She is sneezing. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.